Good morning, dear students. Now let us see one more topic of the chapter, that is cell division. Division, it means to divide, to separate, to distribute. Here it is about cell division. It means the separation of cell takes place. Cell division means formation of new cells from the matured existing cells. The cells which are already existing, that means which are already present in the living organisms, when they grew matured, and from that matured existing cells new daughter cells when formed, then such process of formation of new cell is termed as cell division. Separation of the cell, that is division. New cells are formed from the matured existing cell. But why they form? And what type of cell division takes place? So, new cells are formed in organisms in order to grow. That means the growth of a living organism is because of the formation of the new cells. If the growth cell is formed, then the growth of the organism is taking place. To repair the injured or damaged cell, if some of the cells in the body gets damaged, or we can say that they are the injured cells, then those damaged or injured cells are repaired by the new cells. New cells also replace the old and dead cells. Some of the cells grew old and may die also. So such old and dead cells, they are replaced by the new formed cells. Even the cells are forming gametes which required for the production. Gametes, that is male gametes and female gametes. These are also formed by the help of the cell division, that is the cell, and in turn that gametes help in the reproduction. So let us see the definition. The process by which new cells are made is called cell division. The cells which are made new, for what they are made new? For the growth, for the repair, for the replace, and for the reproduction. These are the different processes for which cells are required, and thus the new cells required for such activities for the growth, repair, replacement and reproduction. Cell division is must in the living organisms. Two main types of cell division takes place, that is mitosis and meiosis. So let us see what is mitosis. The process of cell division by which most of the cells divide for growth is called mitosis. A process of cell division where parent cell divide into the daughter cell, especially for the growth of the living organism. We are living organisms. We take birth day by day, gradually we grow and we become infant child, then small baby, then young people, then adult people, and then old people, right? And at the very higher ages, even we die also. So that is called the growth from birth up to the death. Death growth is because of the growth cells, and the cell division, which is for the growth of the organism, that process of cell division is called mitosis. In the process of mitosis, each mother cell divides to form two identical daughter cells. Now, when mitosis takes place, in the process of mitosis, mother cell divides to form two identical daughter cells, which is called diploid. Two identical, that means diploid. Right? See here. This is the mother cell. Right? Having one complete chromosome, one complete, one more complete, and so this is the mother cell. Now it divides into two identical. Identical, it means this both arm and these both arm is in here. In the same way, here also you can see two red and two blue. Two red and two blue. So this mother cell divides into two daughter cells, which is completely identical to each other. That means completely similar to each other. This process is the mitosis process, and this is the division of cell which is responsible for the growth of the living organism. That means for the growth of the living organism, parent cell divides into daughter cell, then this daughter cell further becomes a mature cell and undergoes the division. And this is how gradually the division takes place, and so the growth takes place. In the process of mitosis, each mother cell divides to form two identical daughter cells. The daughter cells have the same number of chromosomes as mother cell. Two red, two blue, two red, two blue. So completely both red arm is here. Both blue arms are there. Right? It helps in growth and repair of tissues in the organisms. For the repairing of the tissues as well as for the growth of the organism, mitosis process is responsible, and the division under the title mitosis, it is because of this, for the growth and for the repair of the tissues. Right? The another process is meiosis, the process of cell division by which the cell divides to give rise to new offsprings or young ones, that is babies, is called meiosis. Cell division when takes place to give rise to such cells which later fertilize to give new offsprings, that means new young babies, then that cell division process is called meiosis. It means the process of cell division, especially for the reproduction, is called meiosis. Just now we have seen mitosis. It is the cell division for the repair of the damaged cells as well as for the growth of the living organism. But this is the process which reproduces the new young ones or new offsprings. In the process of meiosis, each mother cell divides to form 4 new cells. In mitosis, mother cell divides to give 2 daughter cells. Here, mother cell divides to give 4 new cells. The new cells which are formed, they have only half the number of the chromosome. In mitosis, you have seen both red arm, both black arm. So in a pair, it was similarly like the mother cell in the daughter cell, complete pair of chromosomes. But here in the new cells, the formation of the chromosomes is half the number compared to the mother cell. We'll see here. See, this is the mother cell. One complete pair, this is complete pair. This divides into one first cell. That means this is the process where two consecutive steps takes place. This is the first step and then second step. So here you see 1, 2, 3 and 4 cells. See, right? So this process involves two consecutive division. It helps in the formation of male and female gametes, special cells of reproductive organs, or tissues in animals and plants, which later fertilizes to give birth to offsprings, or we can say young ones. So in the mitosis, the process is called diploid because it gives two daughter cells, and here the process is haploid because it gives 1, 2, 3, 4 daughter cells. Here you see in mitosis this was the pair, and here when it was separated but both were identical, but here you see they are not identical. This one matches here, this two, this one, and you can see here also they are not all same, right? So not identical. This is haploid in 4 and diploid, that means 2. So this is how the cell division takes place by two processes, that is mitosis and meiosis. Meiosis is a process of reproduction of a new cell for the new offsprings, new young babies, that is our own kind, right? And mitosis is a process in which growth and repair of the cells takes place by the new cells. So this was about the cell division and two processes, that is mitosis and meiosis. Thank you.